guys, let's play Go a Garden. I know, you know Go a Garden? A popular game in Roblox. So let's go play. Let's go a garden. Go a Garden has a new update. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. There's a new yeah. There's a new update is here, and this and rest of the today. It's not the giant python, it's the Niger strawberry seed. It's a new update here, and there's a new update yung football. Dapat ito parang dito si Ronaldo, dito si Jandal, and parang dapat bibigay ka, and ganyan lang, then bibigay ka ganyan. Let's see, I have that good garden. Let's see, Porky, Norky, Torky, Turkey, Porky, Norky, Sophie, Porky, Modi ba? Ay, natapon. I got it for you.
Natutuwa na? Corrupted Kitsune. Ito na. Matuto na. Elder strawberry seeds.
This is my brother. She's the older brother.
Kamay ko.
No. Okay. Yeah. And I start of a strawberry here. And now this looks like, and now I'm not like this. Let's go see this stuff. No, bro. Do you see that? Do you see that? She have a white eyes. Simon, halika. Nakita ko lang siya may white eyes siya. Huh? It's making like this. He's not. I thought he have red eyes. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Gusto ko ito, Shida Inu. Shida Inu. She's gonna dig. Let's go buy Robux. No, I don't know what I do. Robux. because my mom don't have money. Wala biya liga. Not even beanstalk, not even grapes, not even dragon fruit, not even coconut seed, not even pepper seed, not even pepper seed. I miss my old account. My old account is name is Shikai 04, and my new account Shikaina 04A. My saddest thing is I miss my old account and I miss my old avatar on Brookhaven. My memories in the account and my account and she didn't give me. I miss my old PSTS, that means your old account. PP, I miss my attention function. Securely. So let's see. Giving pets. Yeah. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm lagging. What is this? Oh my god, it is Candy Blossom seeds. Candy Blossom seeds. These seeds. I think lang. Balabot. Give me the Laki naman ito. Vlog. So I need that. So again, please, can I have a puti? Oh my God, mukbang. Excuse me. So this is my garden. I have bamboo seeds, tomato seeds, coconut seeds, and cocoa seeds, and another coconut seed, apple seeds, mushroom, flower seeds, and another flower seeds, and bolama, I don't know, and secret bee, and this is my secret bee, Library lily, and dragon fruits, and mango, apple seeds, another apple seed, and kiwi seeds, watermelon seeds, another watermelon seeds, and this is apple seeds, mango seeds, and the apple seeds. My pet give me it. A dog give me it. And I have sticky glue, and amber lily, and like that. And this is my garden. You other recipes and what like that. You don't know what here. This is the extra. This is the hey, here you're gonna sit here to wait the here. And the customers gonna be here or here or here. If you have a key here and here, then this is the lemon juice. I have lemon juice here. I don't know. So I'm here. I'm a seller, and this gonna juicy. Ang ganda naman. spicy shop and we're gonna open this. What do you want about this? So we have
Look! Ma!
Ano?
Lang.
Wala?
Look!
Ano? Kaya nga, short ko yan eh. Ito, short mo, maliit. Tignan mo. Tapos yan, short ko. Ang haba. Ang haba. Oh, ang laki. Yan, short ko yan eh. Hinaya mo na. Oh, yan, sa'yo yan.
that if you want to see or this one since everyone here, the other of the way that we over here and one because you give the
So, kaya po nasabing nagpo-possess po si Doña Chidora ng literary talents.
what do you see?
Like po, growing up, si Rizal po, may po siya gumawa ng mga poema niya. Tapos yung mama niya po, wala po siyang kinukorek kapag may mali sa poem. Kasi nga po yung mama niya is magaling sa paggawa ng mga poem.
Oh my god! There's a baby here. I don't know why there's a baby here. A beggar means she's... These are these. What's this? Oh, this things. What is this? Oh, oh my god! Esto by Shikoni Bush. Is no, I want Shikoni Bush. I got this here. I want the Shikoni Bush. Corrupted. Oh my god, the corrupted. It's corrupted. Oh, it's corrupted.
So these children were aspired. So ito yung pagkakasusunod.
Carrots. Oh my. Oh. Like damn. What is a person on the other? So this is my. It's going on my garden. And I'm gonna. So this is my bunny. If you want bunny, like let's see. If you want bunny, add me. If you want tractor, someone give me storage, someone give me two. Circle, someone give me two. Someone give me one, two. But do you want this? Money or separation? Yeah. This is my pets. It's too full now. I have only 4 active pets. I'm gonna hide them because I don't wanna sell him. like that. I'm gonna like that. Yes. Takot na ako. Takot na ako. Takot na ako sa mama mo. Takot na ako. Takot na ako. Takot ako sa mama. Takot na ako. Takot na ako. Joke lang. I love Coco. Then egg seed pops. Mambuna. Yeah, it's like that. I love it. Hey. This is so cringe, so. This is a fake video. Okay, joke lang. What the heck is that? It's a pink color and blue. If she a lag or she's a hacker. There's no plants. With a bone blossom, bro. How did you get bone blossom? Spend money. Ano makuha yan? Lemon time shop. Execution. Girlfriend. Start letter C. Start letter Oh my god, my dad is so hungry. Let's eat them. Perhaps a carrot pepper. So let's see. Come on, Petty. So now they are big. God, she's so big. Big like coconut. Coconut is so big. Coconut is so big. It's like my stomach. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Refreshing. 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 I'm thirsty. Refreshing. Refreshing. I'm so thirsty. Refreshing. Refreshing. I'm thirsty. Refreshing. 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 Up, up, and down. It's for candy. Candy. Every time it's not fun. It's not me. It's not you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Big as crab. Oh my God, I'm gonna take my pants. Who's take my pants? Master Skincare. Stop. this is pretty only. I hear you, Papa, Mother Nature,
nag-asawa sila and naging married sila noong June 28, 1848. So, mapapasa naman natin doon sa after na sinabi ni Alvario is naging farmer si Francisco. Kaya, lumipat sila doon sa farm and then doon na sila nagsimula magtayo ng pamilya nila. And then dito na tayo sa main Rizal. So, ayun na nga. Yung Rizal is hindi talaga yun yung like hindi
It's already changed.
Chief Mercado talaga.
It's changed.
May maraming reasons kung bakit naging Rizal yung ginamit na hindi daw para sa Rizal yung national hero natin. And nasabi din dito sa baba na
Customization. Special sun star.